So for today, I'm going to teach you how to convert your USDT to TRX or Tron in your Trust wallet. So first, open your Trust wallet on your mobile device and simply link your wallet if you have an existing one, but if you don't have, just simply click create new wallet. After that, your main dashboard should look like this. And for you to able to convert it, just simply go to the swap section, which is located at the bottom part. And from the upper part, simply select your network, which is we were going to select for Tron network. And after that, make sure that you are going to convert in USDT in Tron network. And then on the lower section, make sure also that your network is on Tron or TRX. And of course, the cryptocurrency you are converting is to the Tron or TRX. After that, you just need to tender an amount of how many USDT or how much USDT you wanted to convert into Tron. And if you have sufficient balance, it will push through, but if you don't have, of course, it won't. So that's how you convert USDT to TRX or Tron in your Trust wallet. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.